How to find message details on Truecaller. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to find message details on Truecaller. First open Truecaller and then just select any chat you want here like Spotify, and if you want to see any message details just hold on it and then click this one in the bottom corner here, and now click message details, and here is it. Here you will find the message details, and I hope that can help you. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.